The COVID-19 pandemic has affected each and every one of us. But if you are a cancer patient undergoing active treatments like chemotherapy, the stakes are even higher. Not only do the cancer and the treatments often weaken the immune system, but these patients must come to the clinic to receive their cancer treatments, so they cannot strictly self-isolate. Many studies have confirmed that cancer patients undergoing active treatments are 3 to 4 times more likely to have a life-threatening COVID-19 infection as compared to the general population. There is renewed hope with the rollout of a COVID-19 vaccine, but unfortunately the vaccines have not yet been tested in immunosuppressed patients, including cancer patients on active treatment, such as chemotherapy. Unfortunately, with other vaccines like the flu shot, we have seen that cancer patients on immunosuppressive therapy have a weaker immune response following vaccination and are less likely to be protected. We still need to find a way to protect our vulnerable cancer patients. Trained immunity is a new concept in our understanding of the immune system. It means that exposing a person's immune system to a specific type of microbe, like a specific bacteria or virus, can strengthen that person's immune system and help protect them from a second, completely different and unrelated infection. Basically, it's like taking your immune system to the gym and training it to be better prepared for the next infection. This was first seen with one of the oldest vaccinations, BCG, a weakened bacteria that's used to protect against tuberculosis, otherwise known as TB. In several population studies, people that were vaccinated with BCG were 40% less likely to die, and this was because they were protected against other lung infections caused by unrelated bacteria and viruses. In a recent clinical trial, elderly patients who were vaccinated with BCG were over 70% less likely to get a viral lung infection. BCG has also been shown to improve the protection following vaccination with other vaccines, like the flu shot, because of this trained immunity effect. All these studies suggest that trained immunity with BCG could protect patients from a COVID-19 infection, and for this reason, BCG is being tested as a non-specific vaccine in healthcare workers in over 15 studies around the world. Unfortunately, BCG is not considered safe for cancer patients. It is a live vaccine, which means it's made from live bacteria that, while weakened, can still infect and spread in patients without a strong immune system, like patients on chemotherapy. IMM-101 is a vaccine that is very closely related to BCG and has also been shown to induce trained immunity, but unlike BCG, it is a dead vaccine, so it is considered safe in immunosuppressed cancer patients. In fact, IMM-101 is being developed as an anti-cancer immunotherapy because of its ability to strengthen the immune system. It has already been tested in over 300 cancer patients and appears to be safe and well tolerated in these studies. It was shown in an early phase clinical trial to improve survival in patients with pancreatic cancer. The most common side effects of IMM-101 are fever in approximately 10% of patients and a reaction at the site of injection in about 6% of patients. This safety data, combined with the evidence that IMM-101 can also induce trained immunity, has led the Canadian Cancer Trials Group to conduct the IC.8 Clinical Trial to test the ability of IMM-101 to protect cancer patients from COVID-19 and other viral lung infections. This trial is enrolling at a number of cancer centers across Canada and is open to patients who have cancer and are actively receiving treatments. Participating in this trial does not prevent patients from receiving the COVID-19 vaccine once it is available to them. In fact, the trial will also allow us to test if IMM-101 improves the efficacy of the COVID-19 vaccine by testing whether patients who received IMM-101 are more immune to COVID-19 after vaccination. The IC.8 clinical trial will test the ability of IMM-101 to induce trained immunity and protect immunosuppressed cancer patients from viral lung illness, including COVID-19, improve the efficacy of the COVID-19 vaccines in immunosuppressed cancer patients, and determine if trained immunity could be an effective vaccination strategy for any future pandemics. To learn more about the IC.8 clinical trial, visit our website. Thanks for listening. Take care and stay safe.